So we're here at Sheraton Vistana Resort in Orlando in a one-bedroom premium villa in the lakes phase. Perhaps you're headed here and you want to see what one looks like. Let's check out ours right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy, and before we get started, taking a look at our one-bedroom premium villa here in the lakes phase at Sheraton Vistana Resort in Orlando, Florida. I just want to let you know, on this channel, I like to provide my knowledge, tips and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. And hey, if you don't happen to be a timeshare owner, but you like visiting these beautiful resorts, I also do villa tours, resort reviews, and all kinds of other videos about timeshare resorts. So please be sure to subscribe down below, hit that notification bell also so you're notified whenever I post new videos. So let's head inside here. We're going to take a look at our one-bedroom premium villa here in the lakes phase at Vistana Resort. Alright, so as we head into the villa here, the first thing you're going to see here on the left-hand side is a small broom closet. Not much here, just a broom, dustpan, and a vacuum cleaner. But as we continue on in, you're going to notice here also, behind a set of doors is the laundry facilities. Stacking whirlpool, washer, and dryer. Definitely a great feature to have in this one bedroom premium villa at Vistana Resort. As we continue on now, we're going to move into the kitchen. Not too big of a kitchen here in this premium villa. Probably just enough space for one person to work in the villa here. But you'll have everything you need. You have your full set of appliances, a fridge, dishwasher, and oven, as well as a microwave. Now, one thing that we noticed here, this villa has been renovated, but they didn't switch out the range and the dishwasher. Those are still white, while the refrigerator and microwave are gray in color. But in the kitchen, you of course have everything, or almost everything you need to cook up a great meal. You have a place setting, table setting for 6 people. There's also a cupboard down below there that has a pitcher, a colander, and right beside that is a couple of drawers behind a cupboard that have your pots and pans. So no need to worry if you want to cook while you're here at Sheraton Vistana Resort in this one-bedroom premium villa. You have just about everything you need. So now let's head on from the kitchen and take a look at the dining room. The dining room here, just a table with 6 chairs. Nothing really too fancy here, but definitely a good place to sit down and have a great meal with your family. There's also some nice artwork here on the wall and actually throughout the villa as well that you will see. So now as we head into the living room, this is where you're going to start noticing the new changes here, the renovations that they just completed at Vistana Resort in this lakes phase. You have a brand new sofa, new carpeting throughout, as well as a couple of ottomans, a large television on top of a large TV stand, and also a Bose sound system. But we noticed that there is no DVD player here in this villa. Also in the living room here, just outside of the bedroom doors, this awkwardly placed chair kind of is a little bit in the way getting in and out of the master bedroom. There's also an exit here to the balcony, which we're going to take a look at the end of this video, so stick around to take a look at the balcony. But yeah, pretty nice living room here in this villa. So now let's head on in and take a look at the master bedroom. Master bedroom has a large king-size bed, 2 nightstands, one on either side of the bed there, and also another awkwardly placed item here is this desk that's beside the bed. Kind of makes it a little cramped on the one side of the bed there, getting in and out of the bed. But what I did was actually move that chair that is in the corner down a little bit, closer to the windows and what is actually another exit to the balcony from the master bedroom. But I moved that down a little bit and pulled that desk down in front of the window that looks out. You have a nice view while you're working at the desk out to the outdoors. It's just great. But yeah, pretty nice bedroom here. There's also a large chest of drawers with a pretty good size television there as well. So now before we head into the bathroom, let's take a look at the closet here in the master bedroom. Pretty good sized closet, plenty of hangers, and it's where you'll also find some extra bedding, as well as the in-room safe. So if you have any valuables you want to store, keep them safe, put them in the safe locks with a key code. Now, in the same area is also a large jacuzzi tub. This tub is huge and one of those things that kind of takes up a lot of room and really doesn't have a lot of utility. I don't think a lot of people really use these too much anymore, but hey, it's there if you want to use them. So as we continue on in here into the bathroom, you're going to find actually a small vanity area with a mirror, lights up really bright just outside the bathroom here. So that is actually pretty cool. This villa does have double vanities because when we head in here into the bathroom area, you'll find another vanity with another large mirror, plenty of counter space in the bathrooms here. Now, this bathroom is actually also split up again. You have the toilet and shower in a separate room here. So pretty good setup here with those two vanities that are kind of separated so you can have some additional space if two people are getting ready, and then the toilet and shower in that separate room. So now it's time to head out to the balcony and take a look at that. So let's head out there. This balcony door is actually quite heavy and pretty soundproof, which is kind of good because we have the highway, Interstate 4, not too far from this building, but we don't hear it at all in our villa. But as we step out onto the balcony here, you will notice 4 chairs and a table. Pretty good sized balcony, and there's also a power outlet there as well. In case maybe you're going to do some work out there, you have a laptop to plug in, you have a power outlet. Another great thing about this balcony is it is screened in, so no worry about any bugs or any other little critters sneaking into your balcony. But this villa here that we're in, it actually has a nice view of a small lake. Pretty good view from our balcony. I actually noticed there was something like 12 turtles laying out in the sun on the embankment of that lake just a bit ago. So if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out these videos. And if you want to see another video about Sheraton Vistana Resort, check out this one right up here on YouTube. They think you'll like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, let's make your next destination a timeshare.